5 habits of a topper student. We know that every student wants how to be a topper of a class, but it is true that not every student will become a topper. Personally, I have observed 5 most common habits among the topper students. I give you guarantee that if you follow these habits, you can also become a topper student of your class. The first common habit of topper students is self-discipline. I mean, topper students control themselves. They work hard without needing anyone else to tell them what to do. They always remain within the set boundaries and they stick to their goals. Also, they control their emotions, thoughts and desires. On the other hand, every students are not self-disciplined. They do not control their emotions and thoughts. They do not work hard and they have no goals. So self-discipline is the first step to become a topper student. The second habit of topper students is learning in the classroom. They remain active and concentrate in the classroom. They learn each and every point of any topic. If they do not understand something hard, they ask the teacher. Also, they note down the important points of the topic. They will not leave the class at any cost. On the other hand, average students do not learn in the classroom. They neither concentrate nor note down the important points. The third habit of topper students is following proper timetable. They do not waste time in useless things. They are very punctual. They do study every day according to their timetable. Also, they wouldn't play or enjoy in their study schedule. Even some shining students would leave the party, but they would not break the timetable. On the other hand, average students do not follow any specific timetable. They would study for some days, but they would not maintain the schedule. The fourth habit of topper students is revision. This is the most powerful tool of any topper student. They learn new topics every single day and they revise the previous topics every single day. By this way, they crack any syllabus easily. On the other hand, average students learn some topics, but they do not revise them. After some days, they forget these topics. Then they start complaining that they do not remember something or they forget things easily. The last habit of topper students is never giving up. They would never give up even if the topic is rocket science. In case of any problem, they would call teacher or they would ask any friend to get the solution. Also, they may search it in the YouTube or Google to solve it, but they would never and ever stop learning it. On the other hand, average students soon give up if they face any difficult topic. They would not try to call teacher or ask any friend about its solution. Therefore, these 5 habits successfully draw a line between topper students and average students. I hope that you would follow these 5 habits.